In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund old purchases in Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find the refund options for Fortnite, and I'm gonna be talking about how this process works. So first, for you to actually refund your purchases, all that you have to do is click on your icon over here at the top right corner of the screen, or press the options button, and then go into the settings. Inside of the settings, switch over to the last tab, account and privacy, and in here, under the general category account, you will be able to find recent purchases. So as you can see, we have two main options here: return or cancel purchase. You may cancel any unintentional purchase made with V-Bucks, and then you have returning purchases. In cases where you unintentionally purchase an item with V-Bucks and purchase cancellation is no longer available, you can use one of your 3 annual return tickets instead. So to keep it simple, just click this option here. Now you will see all of the items that you have eligible to be refunded. You will notice that on my account, I don't have any items that can be refunded. I apologize. I won't be able to demonstrate this process on screen, but all that you have to pay attention to here is to see how many return tickets you have available. If you have an eligible item, you will be able to select it and use one of the 3 return tickets, and then your V-Bucks are going to be refunded. Keep in mind that you will not be able to refund most items if you don't have a ticket, albeit with a few exceptions, and for the most part, even if you were to contact the customer support, they will not grant you a refund. You only get one of these tickets per year, so as you can see, once a return ticket is used, your return ticket refresh date is 365 days following the most recent ticket you received, up to a maximum of 3. So essentially, you will have 3 in stock, but you have to wait a year between each of these, and you will be able to refund your old purchases by going over to this menu here. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund old purchases Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.